Morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Gonna go put in the part for my my replacement car and show you what I picked up. And then I actually gotta clean this garage. This garage is a friggin' mess right now. So I gotta do a little cleanup. I'm going to try to see if I could do a little fishing. It's actually gonna be like 50 degrees out today. But we'll see what happens. So, catch you in a little bit. All right, folks, well, here she is, 2011 Volvo XC90, the 3.2 with the straight 6 in it. So just a quick story. I had to get rid of the Forester. I love the Forester. I've been using it as daily for the past 4 years. I had to replace the engine once, but whatever. I was able to get a good price on a used engine, and it lasted me for 3 years. The only issue is the reason why I had to get rid of her was because it was drinking coolant, burning oil, you know, the usual Subaru things. Most than likely the head gasket was failing, but there was no intermix. So I think it was just the start of the head gasket. But anyways, yeah, I had those issues. Plus, there was emissions issues with it too. So I didn't want to spend more than what the vehicle's worth anymore. Even though I love that little wagon, I just had to upgrade a little bit. So this one I've been driving for a few weeks already. Runs smooth. I had to do just a few things. I had to change the SERP tensioner on this, and then now I have to do a motor mount. But other than that, it's been great. I have one more thing to fix, which is a sensor. Well, okay, 2 sensors, but those are not going to really affect what's going on with the vehicle, so that could wait a little bit. But anyways, let me get this motor mount in before I waste more of the day. Remember, motor mount, and I gotta clean up this garage. Hopefully I'll have time to do a little fishing before the game start. So see you in a little bit. guys, well, it's been a few weeks since I fixed my car. Didn't get a chance to go fishing. Cleaning the garage actually took a lot of my time, and then I had to go and watch the Super Bowl. So right now, as you can tell, it snowed out. So I'm gonna go actually down to the Des Plaines River, check it out, and hopefully I don't get skunked for my first time fishing for this year. So catch you by the river. All right, well, here I am. Bought both rods. I got a spinner on this one, just a regular black worm on this, or a dark worm on that one. So over here is actually a little bit more calm than where I was the other day. So let's see how this goes. Well, I'm gonna keep going with the spinner for a little bit. Hopefully get something. Switch it up to the worm. And then if I don't get anything here, I'm probably gonna move down a little bit. There's a little area down there that has a small pocket where they launch boats, so, or kayaks, I mean. I'm gonna give that a shot. Walk out. Oh crap, can't. I really don't want to go over the fence here. Knowing my luck, I'm gonna slip and bust my stuff. Alright, well, spot number one is a no-go. Gonna actually use some Google Maps and see other locations that's not too far away. See if I can get back on the river, hopefully. Oh no. Oh, here comes the case. I'm gonna go try to see if I can find something close by. So yeah, the sun's starting to come out, which is it's a good thing. It'll warm me up so I can get out of this heavy jacket because it was freezing. But anyways, yeah, let me go check out maps and see what I could come up with. All right, let's get in here. Yeah, I don't have floor mats yet, so I need your help to find some floor mats. Don't want to do WeatherTech because they're kind of pricey, and you know, I'm on a budget. So if you have any ideas, let me know. I actually checked out Smartliner, I think, but they don't have the year for my XC90. So I need some help finding some all-weather floor mats. So if you have any ideas, please put them in the comments below. All right.
Wish I was recording earlier. There's some weird guys, but as soon as I got down here, it's been following me around. Oh shoot. So weird. I need to get down there, but I can't without busting my stuff. There's really no good spots here to go. Oh, you can see that red hat. It's that guy. Wherever I went, he went. It's so odd. Might have to go to a different spot because I have no access anywhere. I guess I'm gonna have to go by the airport like I wanted, like I didn't want to, but I have no choice because this spot has no access or no clear access close to the water. But take a look at this stuff, man. That's crazy. All right. M886156.
Connection success.
Alright, well, that guy was weird. I just followed me around. That's the bad thing about some of these forest preserves, that you got some weird people. Mostly they're trying to find some action. You're parked a certain way, that means that you want to have fun. Not this boy. No. So I don't know what that guy was expecting, but wherever I went, he went. So kind of gave me the creeps. All right, well, I went to the last spot, but forest preserve's closed, so I think I'm just gonna call it quits for today. That guy just kind of creeped me out too much. So not really in the mood to go fishing now. So got skunked on the first day of, technically the second day of fishing. So yeah, hopefully I get this skunk off my back and start rocking and rolling. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time.